Step into a new era of lighting innovation with Mezzo from Spectra Lighting. Crafted at our state-of-the-art facility in Poland, Mezzo leads the way in cutting-edge solutions, with innovative luminaires that set the standard for quality control and innovation in the lighting industry. Mezzo, a harmonious blend of technical precision, adaptability, and sustainability, offering flexibility without borders. Our advanced manufacturing capabilities enable us to create a luminaire precisely tailored to your requirements. Every size is customizable, designed specifically for frequently used modular ceilings. Easily upgrade outdated lighting technologies to Mezzo without disrupting your ceiling. The mounting for your customized luminaire is meticulously designed based on your specifications and ceiling structure. Drawing upon our extensive experience in the lighting industry, we skillfully tailor luminaires to complement the most renowned and widely used modular ceiling constructions. Mezzo showcases a range of optic solutions, carefully crafted to produce precise lighting effects tailored to individual preferences. With enhanced anti-glare technology, Mezzo ensures an optimal visual experience. The luminaire offers the versatility of seamlessly integrating 1 to 3 light sources. Engineered for seamless installation, Mezzo boasts comprehensive security features, addressing every detail from a dedicated connection box to cable protection and safety suspension. Control options include on-off, Customizable, and Dolly upon request. Discover the curated color palette at Spectra Lighting, offering timeless and trendy hues to inspire your space. Embrace innovation, save the planet, and experience a remarkable 50% reduction in electricity usage by upgrading to the new generation of Mezzo LED, a luminaire that not only lights up your environment, but also contributes to a greener, more energy-efficient future. Human-centric lighting, HCL, profoundly influences our well-being. We specialize in implementing HCL to elevate your space. At Spectra, we are committed to achieving carbon neutrality and prioritizing sustainability. Join us in uniting for a brighter tomorrow, following principles of the UN Global Compact. Together, we are shaping a more sustainable and responsible future.